everyone. Welcome to Mark My Tutor. I am Dr. Sasanka, your biology faculty. Today we are going to discuss KCET 2025 question paper biology. Which of the following statements are correct with respect to prokaryotic genome? Let's see the options. Monocystronic structural gene is seen in prokaryotes? No. In prokaryotes, the structural gene is polycystronic. Second option. Introns are absent in structural gene? True. Transcription and translation are coupled in the process? True. Primary transcript undergoes splicing? False. In eukaryotes, splicing is happened. Whereas in prokaryotes, no such process is done. Only one RNA polymerase is present. So, B, C and E are correct option. That is, first option is correct. When a change in gene frequency of a population occur by chance is called genetic drift. Darwin finches represent one of the best example of adaptive radiation. Choose the correct statement from the following. Option A is Charles Darwin traveled around the world in a ship called HMS Beagle's True. There has been gradual evolution of life forms. True. Option C, according to Darwin, fitness refers to physical fitness only. No. According to Darwin, fitness is survival. Option D. Fossils are remains of hard part of life forms found in rock. True. Hubert Devereaux, a natural scientist, worked in Marquette Archipelago. False. So what are the correct option? Option A, B and D. So option 2 is correct. In which of the following HIV replicates and produces its progeny virus, that is helper T cells or helper T lymphocytes? Which of the following are the techniques used for detection of cancer of internal organs? Option A is radiography and MRI. Yes, MRI and radiography are used to detect cancer of internal organs. Next, MRI, computed tomography. Yes, both are used to detect cancer. Widal test is not used to detect cancer. It is used to diagnose typhoid. So option C and D are wrong. So what is option? A and B are correct. Option number 4. Malignant malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum. It is the most lethal form which will cause malignant malaria. The drug prescribed to the patient who have undergone organ transplant is dash and is produced by dash. Patient who have undergone organ transplant need immunosuppressants. Why they need immunosuppressants? Due to graft rejection. There is a chance of graft rejection, graft or organ rejection. So the patient who have undergone organ transplant, there is a high chances of graft or organ rejection. Hence, they need to take immunosuppressant. So, what are the immunosuppressants here? Not statin. Statin is cholesterol lowering agent. Cyclosporin A is an immunosuppressant which is produced by Trichoderma polysporum. So, option 2 is correct. Read the following statement and select the correct option. Statement 1. Biocontrol refers to the use of biological methods for controlling plant diseases and pests. True. Trichoderma species are effective biocontrol agent for several plant pathogens. True. Both statements are correct. So option 3 is correct. Match the column 1 with column 2. Choose the correct option. So first one is Streptococcus. What is Streptococcus? clot buster. So remember, Streptococcus itself is not a clot buster. Streptokinase is a clot buster which is produced from Streptococcus. Yes, penicillium is a source of antibiotic. Methanogens are used in biogas production, and Enamina is free living nitrogen fixing bacteria. So what is the option? Option number 4 is correct. Match the following. Bioreactors. What are bioreactors? Bioreactors are the vessels which convert raw material into specific product. So option number 2. Downstreaming process. Downstreaming process involved in separation and purification of products. Recombinant protein. Recombinant protein matches with insulin produced by rDNA technology. What is rDNA? Recombinant DNA technology. PCR. What is PCR? Polymerase chain reaction. Detect mutated genes in suspected cancer proteins. What is the option? Option 4 is correct. The part of plasmid that codes for protein involved in replication of PBR 322 plasmid. So we have an image of PBR 322 in our NCERT textbook. So can you guess what might be the answer? So here it is clearly mentioned ROP codes for protein involved in replication of plasmid. So option is 2, ROP. To isolate DNA from fungal cell, bacterial cell and plant cell, the enzymes required are respectively. Fungal cell wall is made up of chitin. So, chitinase is involved to isolate DNA from fungal cell. Later, bacteria. Bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan and require lysozymes to extract the DNA from bacterial cell. Later, plant cell. As we know, plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. So, cellulase is required. So, option 2 is correct here. In mature insulin, which of the peptide is not present? Let's look at the option. Option 1 is false. Matured insulin have A and B peptides. It doesn't have C peptide. Yes, option 2 is correct here. A scientist want to produce virus-free plant in tissue culture. Yes, which part of the plant he will use as an explant? So look at the options. Mature stem, axillary meristem, apical meristem and mesophyll cell. So here he can use both B and C, that is axillary and apical meristems, because both axillary and apical meristems have newly formed cells. And both mature stem and mesophyll cells, mature cells. So it is difficult to invade newly formed cells compared to mature cells. So option will be B and C. Option number 1.